Hey everyone! The Casio G-Shock GMA-P2126W-8A arrives as a thoughtful and symbolic release ahead of International Women's Day 2026, blending G-Shock's trademark toughness with a refined, compact aesthetic and a stronger environmental focus. It is a watch that communicates resilience and optimism not only through its design language, but also through the philosophy behind its construction. Visually, the model stands out with its octagonal bezel, a shape that has become iconic within the modern G-Shock lineup. The bezel is encircled by a metallic ring, giving the watch a subtle industrial elegance without compromising its rugged character. The dark gray monotone exterior gives it a contemporary, understated presence, while the dial introduces lighter silver gray tones that create depth and contrast. Gold accents on the bar indices inject warmth into the otherwise cool color palette, subtly referencing themes of empowerment and hope associated with March 8. Despite its refined styling, this model remains firmly rooted in the G-Shock identity. The case, bezel, and band are constructed from bio-based resin, an increasingly important step towards sustainability for Casio. This material reduces environmental impact while preserving the structural integrity that defines the G-Shock name. The watch maintains full shock resistance and 20-bar water resistance, making it suitable for everything from daily wear to swimming and outdoor use. The dial is protected by inorganic glass and treated with neo-bright luminous coating for improved low-light readability. In darker environments, the twin LED super illuminator system activates both the analog dial and the LCD display. Users can select either 1.5 or 3 seconds of afterglow, allowing customization based on preference. Functionally, the GMA-P2126W-8A delivers the robust feature set expected from a modern analog-digital G-Shock. Alongside traditional hands, a small LCD window provides digital information. World time covers 48 cities across 31 time zones, with support for UTC and daylight saving time adjustments. A 100th second stopwatch includes split timing and a 24-hour counter, while the countdown timer extends up to 24 hours. The watch also includes 5 daily alarms and an hourly time signal, making it suitable for structured schedules. One of the practical highlights is the hand retraction feature, which temporarily moves the analog hands away from the LCD screen to ensure an unobstructed digital readout. This small but clever detail improves usability, especially when accessing world time or timer functions. The display can toggle between 12-hour and 24-hour formats, and operation sounds can be muted for quieter environments. Accuracy is rated at plus or minus 15 seconds per month, which is standard and reliable for quartz movement at this level. Powered by a conventional battery, the watch offers approximately 3 years of operation before replacement is needed, reinforcing its low-maintenance design. Set to launch in Japan in early March 2026 at $145, the GMA-P2126W-8A positions itself as a meaningful yet practical release within the G-Shock family. It successfully merges durability, compact comfort, sustainable materials, and symbolic design cues tied to International Women's Day. Rather than being a purely decorative addition, it remains a fully functional, everyday-ready G-Shock, resilient in both construction and message. Thank you for thinking about this watch. Please leave your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.